guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a wreath for the 4th of July, and I bought everything, or almost everything, at Dollar Tree today. So this is what you're going to need. You will need a sign, and I picked up this God Bless America at Dollar Tree. And I picked up these foam wands today too. You will need some of the 6-inch deco mesh, and this is also from Dollar Tree. It's the red, white, and blue. And I picked up 7 rolls of it. Okay, you're gonna need a wreath form, and this is the 14-inch. You're going to need some garland, and I picked up the red star garland and also the blue. You'll want some ribbon. And here's a couple stars, also from Dollar Tree. And here's some more garland. And then you might want a different shade of blue to tie a bow, and this is just the 6-inch. And you'll need your ruler and some pipe cleaners, and you'll want to cut your pipe cleaners in half, and you're going to need your scissors. And if you want to add a placemat to the back of your wreath so it doesn't scratch the door, this I also picked up today at Dollar Tree. So give us just a minute and we'll get started. Okay, I am thinking about placing the God Bless America sign right here on my wreath. And usually it takes 1 roll of the Dollar Tree deco mesh to do each section. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. And so I bought 7, so I always like to have an extra. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your deco mesh and you're just going to squeeze it in your hand just like this. And I didn't have any red, blue, or white pipe cleaners, so I'm using the pink and yellow. And you're just going to thread it through, and you're going to be using this second wire to tie it onto. So thread your deco mesh through. Okay, and you're going to want to take your pipe cleaner. And like I said, it would look better if you had a coordinating color, but this is all I had. So we're just going to go with it. So just give it a few twists. Okay, and then you're going to flip it back over, and it's real simple. You don't have to measure, but you can if you want, and I am going to be making 7-inch puffs or poofs, whatever you like to call them. So I'm going to measure to about 7, and then I am going to kind of roll the outer edges inward, and I'm going to push it up just like that. Grab another pipe cleaner, and I'm going to attach it to my second wire on my work wreath. Just go to the back and give it a few twists. And then push it forward. And then I'm going to fluff my loop. Okay, and then same steps, roll your outer edges inward. And then like I said, you can measure if you want and try to get it about 7 inches. Just try to make your puffs about the same size each time. Just take your pipe cleaner and attach your deco mesh to your wreath form and give it a few twists. Now you're going to do the same process all the way around, but I'm going to not putting deco mesh where I'm planning on putting my star. So I'm just going to push them forward each time, and like I said, it usually takes a whole roll of the Dollar Tree deco mesh to do each section. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to take my edges, roll them inward, and like I said, try to measure about 7 inches, and you're just going to attach it to your wreath form and just keep going all the way around. And give me just a second and we'll be back when I get it finished. This is what it looks like with 2 of the 6-inch deco mesh rolls from Dollar Tree. And so you can see it's pretty full and fluffy, so I have this section and this section complete, and I've started working on this 3rd section. So this is what it looks like with the 2 rolls so far. Okay, I bought 7 rolls of the deco mesh, and so it has 6 sections, and so it almost took 6 rolls. This is what I had left, and then here's the extra one that I bought just to make sure I had enough. And here's how it looks. It's nice and full and fluffy. And I saved this one section here to add my star. And so what I'm going to do next is I am going to hot glue a pipe cleaner on the back so that I can attach it to the wreath form. So give me just a second. Here's how it looks with the sign wired on. And when you're doing your deco mesh, make sure that you start with the same color with each new roll of deco mesh. Like my blue was on the left side each time I start a new roll, so just make sure that you're consistent when you're doing a deco mesh that is not a solid color. Now you could leave the wreath just like it is with just the sign on it, but I wanted to add some ribbon too. So I'm going to add this ribbon, and it's kind of a burlap ribbon, and it also came from Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to take it and I am just going to basically wrap it loosely around my wreath. So I'm gonna wrap this real loose around it. And then also I am going to take this star garland and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna wrap it around loosely around my wreath. Here it is, guys. We added the garland and the ribbon, and I was going to add a few more things, but I decided I like it just like it is. So it is finished and ready to hang on our door for the 4th of July. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and please like and share. I hope you have a wonderful day.